how to make story highlights on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to make story highlights on Instagram. So if you want to highlight your story on Instagram, then this video is for you. Without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, let's go to Instagram application, and then after going to Instagram application, what you have to do is just click on your profile icon here. So first of all, you have to click here, and then if you want to highlight anything, then you can see here story highlights. Keep your favorite story on your profile. So if you wanna add your favorite stories or photos or any memories on your profile, then this video is for you, and you can use your features here. So now what you have to do is just click on the plus icon here. You can see a plus icon, so just click on the plus icon. After clicking the plus icon, you will find your stories here. So I will just select one photo to keep on my story. So let me just click here, and then you have to click on next option here. So just click on next option, and then you can just edit your cover photo, and you can just change your highlight title. Let me just search type for MEMORI memories. So I will just give name as memories, and then after doing this, just click on done. So let me click on done. After that, just scroll down and you can see your story highlight is on your profile. So it's been named as memory. So this is how you can add story highlights on Instagram. Thanks for watching.